Hey everyone, I'm going to be making a bag. As you can see, I have a Pokemon binder here. If you've seen in some of my other videos and quite a few of them, I've been opening Pokemon cards and it's something that I've been doing for my niece and nephew and with them. It's a little bit, those binders get a little heavy for them and I wanted to make a little bag. For their birthday, I kind of figured it would be a cute little replacement to a like gift bag if I made the bag that fit their binder and I put their gift within it. So here I'm cutting the material for the bag and I'm measuring to make sure that the binder will fit within it. So I've cut two pieces the same size and it's to represent the both sides of the bag. Here I am cutting thin strips, and this is going to be used for the strap of the bag. So here I am doing an edge. This is actually going to be the top rim of the bag, essentially. So I am clipping the edges, getting it all prepped and ready to go. So there you go. What I'm doing there is actually just trying to measure where for the width of the bottom of the bag. And actually I made a mistake. I have it folded the wrong way. So I do correct this later, but again, it was primarily just so then that way I could see the width for the bottom of the bag. Alright, so I'm doing the same thing. One will be used for the inside of the bag, one will be used for the outside, so liner and then the outside of the bag. Again, these are the strips for the handle of the bag. And you'll see I'm just sewing the lip of the bag. And then now I'm doing the stitch all the way down, and again I'm going to make a mistake here. There's my mistake, so you'll see I end up correcting that. This is the liner or the outside. One was the liner is just a smidge smaller than the outside, and that's so then that way it fits nice and cleanly on the inside of the bag. So I'm not sure which one was which, but one is just slightly smaller, and that's going to be again the liner. I took some of the scrap material. I had a little bit left. So here I'm making a pocket to go on the inside. So this must be the liner of the bag. And it's just a simple rectangular piece that I've gone ahead and folded the edge so it's nice and clean, and then stitched it to the inside. And the center stitch that I just did there, I measured it so then that way, like, if my niece and nephew had some loose cards, they could put it in those pockets and it'll fit perfectly within it. So this is the strap. Simple piece folded in half lengthwise, and then you do it inside out. So here I'm making it right side out. If you want a good finger exercise, this is a good one. I'm using my finger to slowly roll the strap right side out. Do it for the whole length, almost there. There you go, that's one strap that's complete. And I decided to stick, I'm actually using elastic. These straps are 1.5 inches wide. I used some elastic to reinforce the strap. Typically I would use like a webbing, a belt webbing type of strap. I didn't have any available, so I had this elastic, this really heavy duty thick elastic, so that's what I put inside the strap. I've already put the liner inside the exterior bag piece, and so what I'm doing is simply putting the strip, the handle strips, in between the liner and the outside material, and then doing a stitch all the way around the bag. And that's about an eighth of an inch down from the top. Here's the finished piece, and that's an example. I put their gifts inside the bag and gave it to them for their birthday. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.